Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and if you're following this series, I found out something I really did kind of wrong and not as accurate, because I deleted this line and then I added a node here and then I selected them all and I broke it apart. Well, that node might not be exactly on the line, and it's not, it's right there. So there's the first mistake, because you'd really have to zoom in to see that. And let's back up here where we have that entire line. Whoop, backed up too far. Go back forward. So now the thing to do if you're trying to find the middle of that line and a node, let's zoom in here a little bit. Just virtual segment delete both sides of the line. Now you've got just a line. If you select these two and go up here to add a node, it will add a node in the center. Then reselect that node and bring it to that intersection, and now that's going to be exactly right, and you saved a step. And if you didn't follow through the other ones, you might want to back up and listen or watch that, because we made a pointed circle on one end and a tail on the other end. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.